In today's video, I am going to teach you how to generate quote in Freshsales. To follow along, make sure you are signed into your Freshsales account and have access to the area where quotes are managed. The goal in this tutorial is to show you exactly how to create a new quote and save it successfully. First, log into your Freshsales account. When you reach the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct workspace and that you can see the top navigation area. Logging in is the starting point, because the quote tools only appear after you are authenticated. Once you see the Freshsales interface, you are ready for the next action. Next, click the plus icon at the top. This plus icon is commonly used as a quick way to create new records, and it helps you get to the right menu without searching through multiple pages. As you click it, watch for a drop-down or creation menu to appear. This menu is where you will choose the option related to quotes. If you do not see the menu right away, make sure your cursor is still on the plus icon area and that you are clicking within the top bar. Now locate the quotes section. This is an important moment because Freshsales may display several categories or creation types depending on your setup. Look for the area that specifically mentions quotes or where quote-related actions are grouped. Once you find it, you are confirming that you are in the correct pathway for generating a quote, rather than starting something unrelated like an invoice, a deal, or another record type. After you locate the quote section, click plus add quote. This opens the quote creation form, where you can enter all of the details that will make up the quote. Take a brief moment to look at the fields on the screen before typing anything. The form typically guides you through the required information, and understanding the layout first helps you avoid delays or saving errors later. Next, enter the deal and other information. This step is the core of generating your quote. Start by entering the deal information, which connects the quote to the sales activity it relates to. After that, complete the other required fields on the form. Depending on how your Freshsales account is configured, these fields may include details such as the quote name or reference, relevant dates, customer or contact information, and any additional settings that support the quote record. As you enter each piece of information, double-check for accuracy, especially anything that affects the deal link or the final totals and presentation of the quote. Once you have filled in the necessary details, you will be ready to save. Before clicking anything, quickly scan the form one more time to confirm that all required fields are completed and that the values look correct. This brief review helps prevent mistakes and reduces the chance that you will need to redo work. Finally, click Save. When you click Save, Freshsales will create the quote record using the information you entered. If everything is successful, you may see a confirmation message or the form may close, taking you back to the quotes list or the quote details view. At that point, your quote is generated and stored in your Freshsales system, ready for the next step in your sales process. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.